Alrighty, how to clean a whiting by Audie and Stu. I get to do the filming because I can't do it apparently.
Stu and Stu's apprentice.
Alright.
Stu and Stu's apprentice.
First job is to scale them, which you can either use a scaler bag, or you can do as Audie's doing, is just scraping them down and doing a good liberal job so they're nice and clean. Alright, first thing is run the knife in across the back there, and then you work it down and you work the knife right along the backbone. As you can see Stu's doing there, nice and neatly, and then out the side, and look at that, beautiful and clean. Same thing on the other side, slip the knife in and run it down along the backbone. Nice flexible knife is good for this job. And look at that, nice and translucent. See, look at that, absolutely no waste on there. Next job is, you run the knife down along, as you can see, along the rib cage, and then you work it around the edge of the ribs. And you can feel, and this is why a nice fine knife is really important. And you just work along so you don't lose any meat. You can see there, these are the leftovers there. Next job is the line of bones that run sort of steady down along the, what's that, the lateral line?
Top of the rib cage.
Top of the rib cage. When you do that, there you have beautiful fillet. Look at those.
Boneless.
Well, not skinned, are they? They're not skinned.
No.
So same thing again. The other fillet, just run it in along those bones on the rib cage. Nice little fine knife is the best for the job. Like, what knives are they again?
This is a martini.
The Martines are really good for this. And if you notice, Auds has stopped scaling there for a minute there. She stopped her job.
Only because I'm
covered in it. Some of the guys use scaler bags. I reckon it sort of knocks the fish around a little bit. But each to their own for that side. You can see here, back to Stu. He's almost done the job there. Just running out. Just trim it out, and you can see there, see how you get all that fillet still, and then and you can find those by running your finger down just along sort of spine there, and you'll feel, well, just above the rib cage, can't you, Stu?
Yep. You can see the little black tips.
Little black tips. There you go. And then that is their job, and then these stuff we'll take diving and feed all the fish as well. So there's absolutely no waste. Get to work, you two. Lots to do. And you know the best bit? I just get to eat them.
When do you want me to clean your fish, Al? Oh, you didn't get any.
Oh, that's just mean. I did get one.